In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add themes in Zen web browser. If you've ever wanted your browser to feel more personal and easier on the eyes, changing the theme is a simple way to do it. Themes in Zen adjust the overall look, including accent colors and background tones, so your space feels more like your own while keeping everything readable and organized. First, open the Zen browser. Give it a moment to load your usual layout. You'll be working right from the main interface, so there's nothing else you need to prepare in advance. Once it's open, direct your attention to the left side of the window. That's where you'll find the space area. This is the panel that helps organize your work and browsing sessions, and it's also where Zen keeps the appearance controls you need for theming. With the space area in view, move your cursor over the space you want to style. Now, right-click on that space. A small menu will appear with a few options related to that space's settings and appearance. Click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor for that specific space, so you can tailor the look to match your preferences or your current project without affecting everything else. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a color control with a circular selector. This is your hue and saturation control. Drag the circle around to navigate through different colors. Moving around the ring changes the hue, while moving toward the center adjusts saturation. As you drag, the interface previews your selection in real time, so you can immediately see how your tabs, accents, and backgrounds respond to the change. This makes it easy to fine-tune without guessing. Directly below, you'll find the brightness adjustment. Slide it to lighten or darken the theme. A brighter setting can create an airy, open feel that's great in well-lit environments, while a darker setting is helpful for late-night work, reducing glare and eye strain. Aim for enough contrast that text and icons remain crisp and easy to read against the background. If a color looks washed out, reduce brightness slightly. If it feels heavy or muddy, nudge brightness upward. Take a moment to explore a few shades and brightness levels until the space reflects the mood and clarity you want. When the colors look right and everything is legible, you're all set. You've just updated the theme in Zen, giving your workspace a fresh, focused feel that supports how you browse and work every day.